Welcome. Today, let's walk through the brand new way to send a photo you just took directly on WhatsApp using your PC. If you've ever wanted to snap a picture and share it instantly from your computer, this update makes it easier than ever. To start, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, just scan the QR code with your phone to link your account. Once you're in, you'll see all your chats displayed, just like on your phone. Now, find the chat where you want to send your photo. You can scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the contact or group. Click on the chat to open it. Look for the attachment icon, usually a small paperclip, next to the message box at the bottom of your chat window. Click on this icon, and you'll see several options pop up. With the latest update, you'll notice a camera option right there in the menu. Click on the camera option. This will activate your computer's camera, allowing you to take a photo right then and there. Position your subject, and when you're ready, click the camera icon to snap your picture. Once you've taken the photo, you'll see a preview. If you're happy with it, simply click the send button. Your freshly taken photo will be delivered instantly to your chosen chat. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can capture and send photos on the spot using WhatsApp on your PC, thanks to the new update. No more transferring files from your phone or searching through folders. Just point, shoot, and share in seconds. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for making the most of WhatsApp and other apps on your PC. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.